Okay, so here we are working on the 2003 Dodge Ram 2500. And the problem that we're having with this one is that it's no crank, no start. It almost seems like the computer isn't even hooked up to it. I plugged in the code reader and that didn't even seem to want to communicate, so I checked the grounds. They all seem pretty good. And then I pulled the fuse box. Normally sits up here like this. I unhooked that and took that off, and I noticed that we had a wire that had been previously repaired. And then right here there's kind of a, looks like some corrosion. I'd wiped this a little bit already anyway, but that has been kind of green, and it looks like it's green going down here, so I anticipate that there's been some moisture getting in here. I don't know how good of a seal they had with this one, but these wires are so thin, a little bit of moisture in there and then they're kind of worthless. The connections here didn't look real super dirty, so we'll clean them up and see if that helps. I don't know if you can see them down there, but they're not real bad. Some of these wires here have some chafing. And I don't know why that would be. That one does. And this one does. But that's not all the way through. You can't really see the wire. So that might not be too bad, but yeah, this spot here where somebody had been doing work before looks like might be giving us trouble again.